Hey folks, I just want to quickly chat about some of the features that we've been working on at Omnistrate, and also give you a quick overview of how easy it is to get a SLURM-based service up and running on Omnistrate. And so a couple of things that we've done to showcase that today is we've built a service which models the typical topology that a SLURM service has, including the SLURM controller, SLURM daemons, a persistent store. All of that's essentially wrapped inside what we call as a service plan on the Omnistrate platform. And so as you can see, we have all of these components, and including the ability to share storage and mount a single volume through services like EFS that natively works on top of Omnistrate. And so the entire set of components here is wrapped up inside this specification, and we are building SLURM from scratch. So we are using the latest version of SLURM that also allows us to host this and demonstrate the flexible nature of the infrastructure provisioning and management on Omnistrate. So we will quickly show you a couple of clusters which leverage Graviton as well as GPU instances. So switching to that, this is the fleet view of all the current set of customers who are working or leveraging Omnistrate to develop or run SLURM in this demo. So particularly we have two customers, Charlie and Alice. So both of them have their own set of topologies that they have used to deploy the cluster. So they have, in this particular example, we have Charlie who's set up an R7G large for the CPU-only workload, which is about 5 replicas or 5 daemons, SLURM daemons. And then for the GPU ones, we have the G4D NX large and 2 such replicas. And so just quickly logging in from Charlie's point of view, and then taking a look at the cluster management portal. So Charlie's presented with all of the connectivity details, the nodes, the list of all the monitoring information for those nodes, the live metrics and logs, including even backups. Everything is basically built into the service. So let's quickly try to log into this node through the login service, that's SLURM packages. We get into this. So we have a test that we've already set up, and so the test is basically leveraging MPI run, and so we'll just quickly call this. As you can see, it's leveraging the daemons to essentially distribute the work and then pick back and aggregate the results of that work. And as you can see, it's also super easy for you to define all of the parameters and customize the experience completely for your customers. So in this example, we have this SLURM service that's currently available on AWS and GCP. You can specify the region where you need to deploy. You can also customize all of the parameters. And so we also, as a helpful guide, provide the ability for you to debug and inspect some of your services. So in this particular case, let's take a look at the deployment that we were just testing with. So we provide an infrastructure view, which clearly showcases all of the different services running. And as you can see, we also have the ability to split this across multiple zones for HA and availability and fault tolerance. So you have some of the daemons that are running across different zones. And so you can also see some of them are using GPU instance types and some of them are using CPU only instance types. That was a quick overview. Hopefully that gives you an idea of how powerful the Omnistrate platform is, and all of this is using Kubernetes, and we were able to package and deploy the SLURM service and the SLURM service components through Omnistrate. Thank you.